What's up, DAE fam? It's your boy AB. We're back today with another video. Alright, so we've got the 5 Series, all the parts and stuff for it. Suspension parts, the stuff for the oil change, brakes, all that good stuff. We're playing catch up today. A lot has been done with the cars, with repairs and maintenance. Brake free, like I said, you just turn down. Road now, if you just look at the carrier, this is where it's sitting. Glad to have gotten all the other stuff done, but there's still more to go. As you can see, the last thing that we wrapped up with, we've got the battery replaced. Just having the undervoltage in the battery, it calls for me not to be able to diagnose these symptoms truly that was coming from this next part that we're going to repair, which is going to be a DIY. From all the forums, everyone else's symptoms were totally different. And with the undervoltage, it calls for this particular part to act in a totally different characteristic. So, but once we got the new battery installed, immediately it did what everyone else's was saying that their symptoms were. But I'll talk more about that in upcoming videos, especially the DIY video for the battery, and giving some nuggets on shopping for battery. There are just some things I learned with doing that. And you know what? Let me not forget just to do this plug. Get your veepeak module. If you're going to use something like Bimmerlink or Bimmerlink, you're definitely going to want to use this. This has been a godsend for me to diagnose the issues that I had, to register the battery, and in fact, I had to code the battery, and I'll explain why in the upcoming video for the DIY video for the battery. So link is in the description for your veepeak module. Of course, you can go to Bimmerlink and Bimmerlink and download those for iOS and as well as for Android, but lifesaver. The parts are here for the car to get the next DIY done. We've got plenty of DIY stuff going on with the E93 X5. And of course, we have the E92 M3 that I have actually diagnosed a symptom of what's going on with that. And because we're getting ready to take that in for rod bearing replacement, we're going to touch up on what else is going to get done while that job is getting done as well. DIY Wednesday is coming back. And as always, let me leave you with this. Take care of your health, both mentally and physically. And just whatever your goal is for this year, stick with it. Stick with it. It will come true regardless of how difficult the road is. No one can believe in you more than you can believe in you. And I believe that you can do it as well. Just like I believed in myself all these years to be in a great space where I'm at. Living in the moment. That's all you got to do. Live in the moment. Live your best life and believe in yourself. You guys take care. Keep driving and salute.